Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to run PHP code on Windows 11 operating system with the help of Xampp server. So the Xampp must be installed in your system. In previous video we have learned how to install Xampp in Windows 11. I have given link in description. You can watch that video and get Xampp installed in your system. So let's start. First open our start and search for Xampp control panel. Then open it. Now here we have to start the Apache server and MySQL server first to do the PHP coding. Then just minimize this. Now what we have to do? We have to go to our drive where our all Xampp files are stored. So my Xampp file are stored in Windows C drive, and then here you can see the Xampp folder. So here I have all my Xampp file stored. Then here we have the htdocs folder. So in this folder only we are going to create all our project for the PHP. So let's create one folder, PHP demo, and in this folder we'll create one text file for PHP code. So I'll give name as index.php and just remove the .txt extension. So whenever we are creating any PHP file or any PHP project, our text file must be saved with .php extension. Just hit enter. So here it is asking, are you sure want to change this extension? So just click on yes. So the file is stored with a PHP file type. Then open this file in Notepad. Now let's type our code. So we'll open the angular bracket, then the question mark and the PHP tag. Then we need to close the PHP tab, and in this we'll print some message with the help of echo statement. So what we write? Echo space in double quote will print hello world, and let's save this file. Now we have done our coding. Now we just need to run it. So for that, open the browser and search for localhost. Now what we have to do? We have to go again in this folder, and the folder name which we have created in the htdocs, we need to just copy this name, and in Chrome we have to give the slash and we have to paste this folder name here and just need to hit enter. So you can see the PHP hello world is run. So in this way you can run the PHP code on Windows 11 with the help of Xampp server.